Libra, what's popping? Song that's playing for you is Hardaway, right? So now you may be in a situation and it's like you feel like you going through the harder route or something, or you looking at people outside of you like, damn, they really choosing to choose the harder way, or it's like you giving someone an option. We could do this the easy way or we could do this the hard way. You feel me? But you gonna take some action though, regardless. And you ain't gonna be immature when you communicate this action. It's like you ready to plant a seed and you ain't gonna fuck it up when you express this or communicate this. You ready to do something. Shit, you may have went through an experience that I would fuck your vision up. You was in a gen, you got caught up in a genjutsu, and you had to learn something the hard way. You feel me? And now that you learned that, you done being immature regarding something, and now you may be ready to plant a seed. So whether you learned the hard way or somebody is learning the hard way from you. Look, you done crying over something that's already lost, right? And you realize the passion you were passionately invested in something. Look, something you were invested in, you realize you probably shouldn't be participating in that. So you stop communicating whatever that communication was. At one point, you saw this communication as the truth. And because of that, you took immature action, or you just enacted something immaturely. It's like unthought out. It's like think before you speak type shit. You was just speaking, and because of that, you fucked yourself up at one point. But now you done with that shit. You're not crying over some shit that's already lost, because it's like the truth regarding something. Whether you had to build a new mind regarding something, build new perspectives and or mentalities regarding this job, person, place, thing, idea, habit, hobby, and or it's like you realize it's like you always had something else. So you got out your head regarding something. Song that's playing is running. Now, someone may be running from you, or you are running from something. It's like you getting away from something quick. You don't want to participate in something. Something fell, and it's like you were giving your energy to something that was already dead. You were giving emotions to something that was already dead. You were trying to revive a plant that already died, and it wasn't going to come back. But now you're not trying to do that shit no more. You out of your head regarding whatever this investment was, and it ain't worth giving no more time to. So you stop giving time to it. You got out of your head. You done thinking about it. Because you got other things to feel about, or other emotional investments to worry. It's like you got other things to worry about besides whatever's already dropped right here. Love, second card out, balance. Now you may have got an idea as to how to bring balance to a situation, whether that's a relationship, a friendship, familyship, partnership, job. You know how to bring balance to your business. When you did something, and when you did that something, your numbers dropped last month. Your sales dropped last month. Fucked up your numbers chart. So now it's like, now that you was at one point, you just kept looking at that month like, damn, you kept stressing because your shit wasn't working. Now you like, all right, fuck it. I made that mistake. I made that poor investment. Let me switch it up now. Now you know what you need to add to your shopping cart, like add to your portfolio in order to bring the sales back up. You feel me? You bringing balance to some shit. It's like you gained all this enlightenment as soon as you stopped fucking with something. Soon as you stopped fucking with something, just balance started flowing and your life started getting a little brighter. You started coming up with more ideas once you separated from this relationship and or person. Look, card that's out, Knight of Coins. And because of that, you may be, look, balance. It's like balance. This is a balance that's outside your hands though. You think you doing it. But it's really God. I'm gonna be honest with you. You just managing it. You feel me? You ain't got nothing to do with this though. Now you ready to take. It's like because that experience, you've gained you gained armor. You've gained experience regarding something, and that experience allowed you to level up. You could see through bullshit now. You done being immature. You done communicating immature, and now you ready to take your mind somewhere, or you ready to start that business, start this partnership, start this friendship, start this relationship, start this new job. You feel me? You ready to do now because of what you've been through. Now that you know what you've been through, you done crying over spilled milk, you ready to bring balance, and you ready to take action in order to bring that balance to whatever it is this is in your life. Song that's playing for you ain't no music, it's an advertisement. You probably thinking about how you want to do this. I'm gonna fuck with you though.